Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I mounted my monitors on my wall and how I mounted my TV and give you guys some tips and tricks for how to mount your own monitors. But before we get into that, if you could go down, hit the subscribe button, leave a like and comment for me. Any questions you have about the video, that'd be greatly appreciated. But now we're going to get right into it. So I got a comment from MSJ, and she asked how I mounted my Asus VA27EHE right here vertically like this. So that gave me the idea for this video, so I'm gonna explain to you guys how I did it. So I bought these two monitors, or these two monitor mounts right here, which are Wally monitor mounts from Amazon. I really like them, they're very cheap. And what I did here was, hold on, let me get a flashlight really quickly, is all you have to do back here, I don't know if you can tell. Right now, let's see if I can get this to focus, but right back there you can see there's the 4 screws that are into the back of the monitor, which is from the mount here. So when I mounted it, I just had to mount it on vertically like this so that it would stay vertically. But these mounts are wall mounts, so they go into right here, into my wall. Some people going into the wall might not be an option, so you might have to get another option, which I suggest is a table mount, which there are plenty of options on Amazon for, so I'll leave some of those down in the description down below. But for this one, you just have to make sure you have to use a stud finder, and you have to find the stud right here. Then you have to screw into the stud, which I had to do right here and back here, which having to put it into the stud also does not give it a lot of flexibility. So I got lucky and got this certain orientation to work for me where the studs are for me, but for some people the stud might be right here on the wall, and you don't want your monitor going there or whatever the deal is, or it doesn't fit. Like, these aren't super versatile either, so they only have, like, they can move around a decent amount, but they can't move too much. So a table mount might work better, so you can position your monitor exactly where you would like it and get the exact orientation for you. And also I'll mention my TV mount up here, which I would not suggest going to the store to find a TV mount, because I went to plenty of stores in my area like Best Buy, Fry's, and Costco, which they all had some, but it's really hard to get a good cheap one, which I could find easily on Amazon. So I'm going to leave links in the description down to some Amazon wall mounts for TVs as well as the monitors. So yeah, if you would like to purchase these wall mounts here, I'll have them, they're always in the description down below with my PC setup items and stuff like that. But yeah, just make sure that you use Amazon. I would highly suggest using Amazon over any other retailer, because they have the most options for the cheapest amount of money, which is always the best for, on my channel. We like to find budget options like these monitors and all my other setup stuff. So go on Amazon, links in the description, check out. That has the best wall mounts, desk mounts, and TV mounts that I could find. So go check those out, and thank you guys for watching.